going? Today I'm upstairs in one of the 2 guest bedrooms I have upstairs, and I have yet to decorate this room for fall. So you can see we're really starting with a blank slate. I have my old comforter from the small house we just moved from, and the pillows, and I'm gonna add a bunch of fall touches. It's a small room, but we can still make it fall cozy. So join me. Now you guys may remember this was going to be my office, but when we ended up selling the log home, this whole set was downstairs in the master bedroom, and we decided we liked our bedroom set from the log home better. So that is now in our master bedroom downstairs, and we decided to put this set up here, although one of those would not fit, so that went in my daughter's room. But anyway, this is what we're working with. It's a mess in here. Boxes that I've got to get unpacked, got to get the bed made, and then we can add all the fun fall touches. The view out this window is so pretty. Look at those fall colors, you guys. And as I'm standing here, I can see fall leaves, falling from the tree. I love those colors. So let's make the inside of this room match the outside colors. Before I get the bed all made up, I might want to go in and hang this above the headboard. Now's a good time to do it so I don't mess up my comforter by standing on it to get this on the wall. So I'm gonna go see if I can hang this. Okay, so the shelf is hung, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I found this in the garage. I bought this last year on Amazon. It says pumpkin patch. And can you believe I never decorated with it? So by golly, we're gonna do that this year. And I'm thinking of placing it right there with perhaps a garland before I get the sheets and the bedding all on. Okay, so with my shelf, I just strung this Amazon garland around it just to add a festive touch. Now, it had some wire at the end of it right there, but I'm gonna conceal that with the sign. So up here, this is what I decided to put on the shelf. A cute little copper jack-o'-lantern, a fall wreath, and a sign that says fall, sweet fall. I think that looks adorbs, but now I'm gonna go in with this because this is going to be my filler. Let's add sheets. I love this pattern. It's gonna go great with my comforter set. It's neutral, and then we're gonna add fall touches to the top of the bed once we get it all dolled up. I'm missing my big pillows that go to the back. I don't know where they are, so we're just gonna make this work. The pillows that go behind those pillows are larger in scale, so they'd probably sit up, about that much higher. They're neutral, but it does give it a more substantial look. These pillows that go with this set, I don't think I'm gonna use these. I think I'm gonna go with something more fall appropriate. Love those pillows, by the way. I wanted to kind of bring in some brown for fall. 2 of these, super cute. Love the texture on it. And now I have this pretty throw blanket and another one. Then I have this beautiful soft throw blanket. Really, really soft and smooth. I might layer. So that's what I decided to do. I did a layering look. I put the dark brown one up top. I put this one like it's just thrown on there ever so casually. Now, time to accessorize. So now we're gonna decorate the top of the dresser, pretty simple. I'm gonna go in with these 2 adorable distressed cage lamps. I found these on Amazon, but unfortunately, I don't think they're available anymore. But anyway, I love the glow from the Edison light. So we're gonna put one there and then one over there. I have to plug these into an extension cord. Okay, so I'm loving the look. Now I'm gonna go in with this garland. Where? I'm gonna go in right here. Now these lights it was a really long strand. Put them in half and then doubled up. Sun is coming out finally. It's been a dreary, rainy morning. All right, let's do something here. I'm thinking I want to add a mirror. I don't know why I decided to angle it. Why? Because the view outside is so pretty and it's reflecting in the mirror. The leaves are falling off the trees. Were you able to see the leaves dropping? It's so sad. Fall lasts, but such a short time. I love those autumn colors. Going in with a Hobby Lobby lamp. So I hope you guys can see, I decided to sit my lamp in a tray. I love that tray. And then I have two remotes, one for the TV, one for the bed. This is an adjustable base bed. If you guys don't have one, you really should get one. They are phenomenal. Love them so much because if you're sick or if you have snoring issues, all you do is hit this. It'll lift the bed up a little bit. It also has like little vibration for the bed and your feet. So you can also elevate your feet. So that's really good for circulation. And this will rock you to bed like a baby. I'm telling you, huge, huge fan. We have one in here. My daughter has one, and then we have one in our room. They're amazing. They really are. Sometimes you can find the adjustable base part. That's the expensive part. Online, you can find them on Facebook Marketplace, sometimes on Craigslist for a dramatically reduced price. Well worth it, because you will save a boatload of money, and then you can just put your mattress on top. So it's a win-win. Highly recommend. How many of you have remotes for your TVs, and sometimes you end up losing them? And so for us, if we're about to go to sleep and we're done watching TV, it'll just go right into that basket. It's not going to fall off onto the floor, under the bed, behind the bed. You get the gist. I might try to add these two beautiful candle holders, but I'm going to use these to elevate two pumpkins, kind of bringing in the brown and the orange. Okay, now over there in that corner, it just looks a little bland to me. When all else fails, add light. So it really is just a splash of cozy. I mean, I can tell you right now, when whoever decides to get comfy and cozy in this room, they're going to enjoy the ambiance. I can promise them that. Now, over here in this corner, I'm running out of time, you guys. I wanted to get this out to you. I wanted to do a little something on that wall, just something small, but I don't know. I don't want to just throw anything up there. I want to make sure it's something that I'm going to love. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave that wall alone. In this corner, I do have a little palm plant in a cute basket. I'm going to leave that there. And then when I find something, we'll hang it. Look who I just found, Mr. Squirrel. Is he not cute? I thought he would be cute right here. Let me move the remotes. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick vacuum and I'll show you the whole space. All right, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Come back and see me next week. I am going to have decorating videos for you, decorate with me videos. I'm also going to have an Amazon video for you probably Monday, I think. Amazon Prime Day is coming up October 10th and 11th. It's supposed to be phenomenal sales. So I want you guys to know over the weekend, I'm going to be searching winter fashions for my fashion gals. In addition to that, I am going to be searching for beautiful, elegant Christmas decor. I've started a Christmas shop 2023, so I'm going to be adding stuff all weekend long. And then come back and see me on the 10th and 11th because I will be updating my stores. I will be adding things that are potentially on sale, so you're not going to want to miss it because this is one of those times that you're going to want to jump on this before the Christmas season. So next week will be a big week. Hopefully a lot of content for you guys. Decorate with me's in Amazon Prime Day. I will have a whole bunch of stuff in the links below. So make sure you check that out. And I will see you guys next week. Have a fabulous weekend. I love you all so much. And thank you for all of your wonderful comments. You guys have given me a spring in my step, let me tell you. And I appreciate you guys so much. All right, I'll see you then, guys. Mwah!